Hey creatives! Welcome back to CreArtiPen Studio, your go-to spot for easy creative tutorials on Canva. And today, we're going to learn all about Canva Pro's magic tools you need to try. Tools that can seriously level up your designs. Let's get started. Everything you see here was made entirely in Canva. Yes, all of it. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it using Canva Pro. All right. Here we go now. I'm going to add a background. Canva Pro's background remover lets you erase any photo's background in one click. Perfect for clean, pro-looking posters, thumbnails, or product photos. Select your image, click Edit, then hit Background Remover, and Canva will automatically detect and remove the background for you. You can also find Background Remover here. Look at that clean cut. Magic Grab will instantly separate the subject from the background, ready to move anywhere you want. First, select the image you want to edit. Just click the image, press Edit, and you'll see Magic Grab. Here you have two options. Click the subject directly, or use the brush for subjects that can't be auto-selected. I'll show you. Use the brush to manually select a subject or just click here to auto-select it. Press Grab. Once it's done, see how the subject is now separated from the background. And since you no longer need the background, you can go ahead and delete it. Magic Edit lets you brush over something and replace it with anything you type, like magic. I made this tracing book for kids using Canva. Available now on raket.ph. Okay, let's move on to Magic Edit. First, select the image, then click Edit, and choose Magic Edit. Brush over the part you want to change. It could be anything, like clothes, objects, or even backgrounds. Once you're done brushing, just type what you want to appear and Canva will magically generate it. Click Generate. This is one of my favorite tools in Canva. It may take a few seconds to generate, but look how amazing that turned out. Canva gives you 4 image options. Just pick the one that looks best to you. Magic Eraser tool lets you easily remove unwanted parts of a photo by just brushing over them. If there's something in the picture you don't want, just use Magic Eraser to remove it. You can also use the brush to erase manually or click the subject to erase it easily. Then press Erase. Okay, that was a bit of a wrong demo with Magic Eraser, but hopefully you get the idea. For Magic Eraser to work best, start with a full picture, then erase only the parts you don't want. For example, and that's how Magic Eraser works. Quick, easy, and super useful. Grab Text is a Canva Pro tool that lets you extract text from any image instantly. First, select a picture you saw online that has text you like. Click on the image to open the editing options, then choose Grab Text from the menu. Now the text is removed from the image and ready to use in your design. You can type anything you want. The text is fully editable. Now you know how to use the Pro Tools in Canva like a pro. Thanks for watching.